everybody, my name is Kiwi, and this fine morning I'm gonna be showing you how to make microwave ramen. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do first is get your pack of ramen, crack that bad boy open. I like to crack it up a little bit, but you don't have to. It's recommended that you do this while it's closed too, so don't do what I just did. You want it cracked, crack it before. And then you pour it in your little fancy bowl here. And then, bam. Go get a fork and a spoon. I use a fork and a spoon because I like to drink the soup. Now it's water time. Ignore all the dirty dishes. I have a tendency to push them underneath to make sure they're all wet. And now it's the microwave. Flap. We got a new one, so. And then it's boop. I do it for 3:30 with this microwave, but normally it's 3 minutes. It all depends on your microwave. And now we wait. And then here's the ramen. Drain some of the water if you want. I always put too much and then drain it out. But then you can have the packet, so I shake it. But not like that. Okay. And then use these and I stir. 1 second. Gather up the trash. Throw those bad boys away. And now you enjoy. Ew, I'm never doing that again.